How to edit drop-down list in Google Sheets. To edit a drop-down list in Google Sheets, start by selecting the cell that contains the drop-down list you want to edit. Next, go to the Data tab in the top menu and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation window, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Criteria section and select List from a range or list of items. If you want to edit the list of items, select List of Items and click on the items listed in the box. You can add or remove items from the list by typing in the box and separating each item with a comma. To edit the list of items from a range, select List from a range and enter the range of cells that contains the list you want to use. For example, if you have a list of items in cells A1 to A5, you can enter A1, A5 in the range box. You can also use a named range to make it easier to reference the list. To do this, select the range of cells that contains the list. Go to the Data tab and click on Named Ranges. Give the range a name and click Done. You can then use the named range in the Data Validation window. Once you have made the changes to the drop-down list, click Save. The changes will be applied to the cell and any other cells that use the same data validation rule. Best practices for editing drop-down lists in Google Sheets include using named ranges to make it easier to reference the list, using a separate sheet to store the list of items, and avoiding the use of absolute references in the range box. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily edit drop-down lists in Google Sheets and make your spreadsheets more interactive and user-friendly. It is also important to note that you can use the drop-down list to restrict user input and ensure that only certain values can be entered in a cell. This can help to reduce errors and improve the overall accuracy of your spreadsheet. Additionally, you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain invalid values and make it easier to identify errors. Overall, editing drop-down lists in Google Sheets is a simple process that can help you to create more interactive and user-friendly spreadsheets. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily edit drop-down lists and improve the overall functionality of your spreadsheets.